Hello YouTube, in this video today we're going to be doing time-lapse setting up our speakers, no subwoofer today, and a sound test. See you in the next clip. Hello YouTube, that was just a quick time lapse on setting up our speakers. See you in the next clip for a sound test. Hello YouTube, just a quick video on the QTX Sound QRC12as. The tweeter up there and the driver there. It's got a 12-inch driver and a 1-inch tweeter. They're 700 watt max, and I'm not really sure about RMS. I think they're 250 watt. It's an active speaker there. They've got quite a punch to them, but not that bassy. So here it is. We got Santa Margarita by the leader. She know even if I'm fucking with her, I don't really need her. That's how you feel, man. It's really how you feel. Cause the pimpin' nice cold. All these bitches wanna chill. I mean, maybe she. It's Joe here, and I'm Harry. And that was just a quick sound test on the QTX Sound QRC12as. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.